Are you looking for the best dashcam under $100? In this video we will look at some of the best dashcam under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AZDOME M300S. The AZDOME M300S seems like a solid choice for those looking to enhance their car's security and capture memorable road moments. With its 4K plus 1080p dual cameras, it offers high-resolution recording for both front and rear views. The inclusion of a 64GB TF card ensures ample storage space for your journeys. The 800MP lens promises sharp and detailed footage, while the GPS feature adds an extra layer of functionality, allowing you to track your routes. The built-in Wi-Fi enables convenient connectivity, possibly for quick file transfers or accessing recordings on the go. Voice control adds a touch of modern convenience, making it easier to manage the dashcam while keeping your focus on the road. The night vision capability ensures that the camera remains effective even in low light conditions. Overall, the AZDOME M300S appears to be a comprehensive solution for those seeking a reliable and feature-packed car DVR system. Number 2. Magicshine Bicycle Tail Light Cam. The tail light aspect ensures that you're visible to others on the road, enhancing your safety during both day and night rides. It's a crucial feature, especially in low light conditions or when sharing the road with other vehicles. The added bonus here is the integration of a camera, allowing you to capture your cycling experiences in real time. On the other hand, your interest in the 70mm Dashcam Omni X200 suggests a keen eye for advanced automotive technology. This dashcam offers a 360 degrees full view, built-in GPS, and ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. It's a comprehensive solution for car enthusiasts who prioritize safety, navigation, and the ability to record their journeys. The 24H parking monitor ensures security even when your car is stationary. Number 3. Asawin H5C10. The Asawin H5C10 is a dual-lens dashcam designed for cars, featuring both front and rear view cameras. The device is equipped with a full-screen touch IPS display, providing a clear and comprehensive view of the road. Its dual-lens setup allows for recording both the front and rear perspectives simultaneously, enhancing overall surveillance and ensuring a comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. One notable feature of the Asawin H5C10 is its rear view mirror design, seamlessly integrating into your car's rear view mirror for a discreet and space-efficient installation. The dashcam also supports 24-hour park mode, enhancing security by recording footage even when the vehicle is parked. This can be crucial in capturing any incidents or events that may occur in the car's vicinity when you're away. Number 4. KAWA HD Dash Cam. The KAWA HD Dash Cam is a nifty addition to your car, boasting a 2K 1440p resolution for crisp and clear video recording. Its Wi-Fi capability adds a modern touch, allowing for convenient connectivity and easy access to your recorded footage. The Auto Night Vision feature ensures that your recordings are not compromised in low light conditions, while WDR, Wide Dynamic Range, enhances image quality in varying lighting situations. One standout feature is the voice control, which adds a hands-free dimension to operating the dashcam, making it more user-friendly and safer while driving. Additionally, the wireless 24H parking mode provides continuous surveillance, giving you peace of mind even when your car is stationary. Number 5. Deelife 4K Dashcam. The Deelife 4K Dashcam is like the silent witness to your journeys on the road. It's not just a car camera, it's your vigilant travel companion. With its 4K resolution, it captures the nuances of your surroundings with crystal clarity, ensuring that every detail is accounted for. This dashcam goes beyond just recording. It's your black box on the road, ready to document any unexpected events. Equipped with Wi-Fi functionality, the Deelife 4K Dashcam allows you to seamlessly connect and access footage from your mobile device. Whether you want to review your trips or share a memorable drive, this feature adds an extra layer of convenience,